Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your bank to Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app and tap the person icon in the bottom right corner. This takes you to your account page. Next, select Transfers from the menu, then tap Linked Accounts. From there, you will see an option to link a new account. You can then search for your bank by name. It's a straightforward process to get your finances connected. Once you've found your bank, Robinhood uses Plaid, a secure third-party service, to connect. You'll be prompted to log into your bank account using your online banking credentials. This ensures a secure connection without Robinhood storing your bank login information. After successful login, you'll select the specific checking or savings account you wish to link. Confirm your selection, and the connection will be established, usually within moments. After linking, Robinhood might send 1 or 2 small micro-deposits, typically under $1, to your bank account for verification. You'll need to confirm these amounts within the Robinhood app to finalize the connection. Once verified, you can easily initiate transfers to fund your Robinhood account. Remember, there's often a minimum initial deposit, usually around $10, to start trading. You're now ready to invest. When connecting your bank, always ensure the account is in your name to avoid any issues with transfers. Also, be aware that bank transfers to and from Robinhood can take 1 to 3 business days to fully process, so plan accordingly for your trading needs. For those looking to simplify their home cleaning, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum offers voice control and self-emptying convenience. Check the description for a link to this amazing product and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.